I have a really great tip of the week for you. It's about protecting young trees from lawnmower damage or from weed whacker damage. Look at this tree. It has the grass growing right up to the base of the trunk. And if you mow too close or use a weed whacker, you're going to scrape this bark and possibly lose the tree. Well, what you can do is recycle some of your plastic bottles. This is an old Gatorade bottle. You just have to cut off the top, cut off the bottom, and cut the side. And we're making a collar that you just slip around the tree, and now that tender bark is protected from any kind of damage. Protecting your young trees, that's our tip of the week.